As a young mother of three, how did you come to the idea of actually going on this response? How did you come to being at peace with that?
Um,
I want my family here. I want them to experience this. I want to see the hand of God. I want to see the joy in these people's eyes when you give them a glow track. And I want it to change their life like it's changed mine. And I called Karen and I said, hey, will you come? Please come.
and my first instinct is fear and being nervous as taking the kids. They've never been on a plane before, and traveling alone with them would be difficult. But we continued to pray and talk more, and one morning I had read John 14, and it says in there that God will send a helper and give you peace. So I took that as to give all of my fear and worries to Jesus and to respond and to go as a family.